Hey friends, Beth from the Cook's Cottage here, and today I'm here with a cozy Christmas clean with me. The house is already decorated for the holidays, as you guys might have seen in my previous videos, but we had people over all weekend long, and the house is literally in shambles because of it. It's not normally this dirty. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so it's pretty easy for me to keep on top of it, but right now it is bad because we have had people over back to back to back. So I'm going to take this Sunday and make it a Sunday reset and get this house completely back in order. So let's go ahead and get to it.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
that's going to be it for today's Christmas Clean with me. But before you leave, I did want to tell you what the cottage smells like this time of year. I always love to tell you guys the scents. You can really get into the vibes of what it's like in the cottage. So the perfect Christmas. This one last year was the first time I ever smelt it, and I was sold instantly. And then this one is a tried and true every year for years past. I can't even tell you how far back. It has always smelled like fresh balsam. So these two are what the cottage smells like this time of year. So if you guys can get your hands on them before they sell out, I would highly recommend it. But that's it for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.